let's start. The Grupalu.
Child!
The Grupalu said that no Grupalu should ever set foot in the deep dark wood. Why not?
Now why not?
Because if you do,
I'll be my
mouse will be
after
after
you.
you.
What's so crazy? They stop me up.
I met him once, said the Grupalu. I met him long time ago.
What are you in the
Oh, there's a toys. Toys of the baby Grupalu. And Papa sitting. Oh,
Quad head.
I can't quite remember, the Grupalu said.
Quad head.
Then he thought for a minute and scratched his head.
Baby beautiful sushi.
Oh, sitting in the lap of Papa Grupalu. The big bad mouse has a
From
strong arms,
steel tail,
long tail,
big eyes,
big eyes,
and a bird.
and a bird.
Beep beep beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Go.
Oh,
A clock.
here.
Here.
Oh,
And Big Papa really want
Papa
to the baby.
while Papa Grupalu sleeping, the baby Grupalu went outside in the deep dark wood.
Really.
The Grupalu child was feeling brave. She tiptoed out of the Grupalu cave. The snow fell fast, and the wind blew wild. Into the wood went the Grupalu child.
Mom,
Here.
here. A baby.
Aha!
Woohoo.
A trail in the snow. Whose is this trail and where does
How did
it
it go?
A tail poked out in a log
Baby
pile house.
house.
Could this be the
A
tail of the big bad
mouse.
mouse?
It's a
Oh,
not the big bad mouse. It's a snake.
you're not the big bad mouse, you're a snake.
Snake.
The snow fell fast.
The big wow.
And the wind blew wild.
I got the use of that.
I'm not scared, said the group of the child.
Oh.
Aha!
Ooh, not quack.
Marks in the snow. Whose are these claw marks? Where do they go? Two eyes glimp out in the treetop house. Could be the eyes of the big bad mouse.
It's I tell you.
Oh,
Another big mouse.
you're not a big bad mouse, you're
It's an
a...
owl.
It's an owl.
The blue too far away. Wow.
The snow fell fast and the wind blew wild. I'm not scared, said the group of the child.
Oh,
Oh,
another quack.
another track. Who is this track and where does it go? Whiskers at last. The underground house could be the home of the big bad mouse.
It's I tell you.
Oh, you're not the mouse.
It's a boss.
Here's the fox.
I told me one. Then we know wow.
And the red. Uh-oh. The baby Grupalu sitting in the
Hey,
in the
Papa.
woods.
Papa, what the?
What's that? It's a mouse.
Yeah.
Big eyes.
No, it's a.
Oh, there's a mouse, a little mouse. And the
Man.
snowman. Oh, wait, said the mouse. Before you eat, there's a friend of mine that you ought to meet. If you let me hop onto the hazel twig, I beckon my friends so bad and big.
Okay, what?
Oh, the buffalo child and Lynch's fish, the big bad mouse, so he does exist. The mouse hopped in the hazel tree. He beckoned and said, "Just wait and see."
Oh, there's the moon.
Oh, there's a big moon.
Then the mouse.
Out came the moon. It was bright and round. A terrible shadow fell onto the ground.
Shadow.
A shadow for the big bad mouse.
Baby, we were so sad.
The great big buffalo is so scared. So
I'm
scared.
coming.
The buffalo is scared
Run,
and
run,
ran. Ran so fast.
run.
Oh,
No,
he
Papa.
found her home. Her papa is sleeping. He wants sleep beside his papa.
Okay.
Okay, he sleep.
Okay,
Back
wash
to his
hands.
papa.
Finish.
And the baby buffalo snored and snored. The end. Good night, Sabi. Thanks, guys.
I'm getting my
Thanks guys for
teacher.
watching.
At the bottom.